If you're considering upgrading your windows, whether for aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, or simply to improve your home's curb appeal, a professional window installation in Manassas can make a significant difference. But what exactly can you expect when you schedule a window installation? Knowing what to expect will help ease any concerns and ensure the process goes as smoothly as possible. Here's a breakdown of the steps involved and what you can look forward to when hiring a professional window installation service. Initial consultation and assessment. The first step in the window installation process is the consultation. A professional window installer will come to your home to assess your needs and take precise measurements. During this visit, they will discuss your preferences, the types of windows you're considering, whether it's casement, double hung, sliding, etc., and any concerns you may have. The installer may also examine the existing window frames and the surrounding structure to ensure that the new windows will fit perfectly. This is the time to ask any questions about the process, the different materials available, and any potential issues specific to your home in Manassas. A reputable installer will provide clear answers and offer guidance based on their expertise. Window selection and customization. Once you've decided on the window style and materials, your installer will help you choose the best options for your home. Professional window companies in Manassas typically offer a variety of window styles and materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or wood. Each material has its own set of benefits, including durability, energy efficiency, and appearance. The right choice will depend on your specific needs, climate considerations, and budget. Customization is also key during this stage. Many window installers offer options like tinted glass, energy-efficient coatings, or noise reduction features to ensure the windows perform well in the long term. After making your selection, the company will order the windows based on the precise measurements taken during the consultation. Pre-installation preparation. Before the installation begins, there are some things you can do to prepare your home. Clear the area around the windows to ensure the installers have easy access. This may involve moving furniture or covering nearby items to protect them from dust or debris. Your installer may also need to disconnect certain elements, such as window treatments or blinds, and will notify you of any preparations on their end. They will likely arrive with a full team, each assigned specific tasks to ensure everything goes efficiently. This collaborative approach is key to getting the job done quickly and professionally. Window installation day. On the day of installation, the window installation team will arrive early and begin working promptly. The process typically starts with the removal of your old windows. This step involves careful removal of the existing frames and glass, ensuring that the surrounding areas are not damaged. If necessary, the installer may replace parts of the window frame or trim to ensure the new windows fit properly. Next, the new windows are installed, starting with proper sealing and insulation to prevent air leaks and ensure energy efficiency. High-quality installers in Manassas take great care to ensure that the windows are level and secure. They will also use special caulking and weatherproofing techniques to protect against drafts and water infiltration, which is especially important given the varied weather conditions in the region. Once the installation is complete, the team will clean up any debris and test the windows to ensure they open, close, and lock properly. Expect a thorough inspection of the entire installation, with the installer addressing any minor adjustments that may be needed to ensure perfect functionality. Post-installation walkthrough and final touches. After the installation, the installer will walk you through the work and explain any care instructions. This is your opportunity to ask questions about window maintenance and learn how to maximize the performance of your new windows. They will also provide warranty information, which is important to keep for future reference in case any issues arise. Many professional window installers offer post-installation services, such as checking for drafts or conducting a follow-up visit to ensure everything is working as expected. They may also offer additional services like cleaning your windows or adjusting the seals. Enjoy your new windows. Once your windows are installed, you can sit back and enjoy the enhanced look and feel of your home. Professional installation ensures that your windows will last longer, perform better, and add to the overall comfort of your living space. With proper care, your windows should provide many years of beauty, energy efficiency, and protection from the elements. In conclusion, when you hire a professional window installer in Manassas, you can expect a streamlined process that includes consultation, expert installation, and follow-up care. By hiring the right team, you can be confident that your new windows will improve your home's appearance, energy efficiency, and value for years to come.